The Yiddish theater I heard about was just hilarious. I mean, it was the Mel Brooks Yiddish theater. So he would always tell the stories of Maurice Schwartz, two famous stories. One of, opening night, he fills the, the main star's dressing room with flowers of every, sort and description. But then he makes sure clear that they have to go back because he's rented them from a funeral home. and then the story of, it's time to pay everybody on some production, and he looks very sad, and they're all coming to get their money, and he said, "I'm sorry, I'm very ill." And they said, "Well, what's wrong?" He said, "I have pneumonia." So, and then my father would always tell the stories of, and this was sort of his alienation, of seeing these aged, middle-aged Koreans, on stage, pretending to be these young, women yearning for a man or yearning for their homeland, and he always found it like incredibly false. And he wasn't angry. He would tell it in a very humorous way about how ludicrous it was, seeing those sort of nostalgic stories. And so he was quite entertaining about it. He never really talked about the part of the Yiddish theater that he had been involved with. And so that's why you definitely had a sense that it was something he left.